Dropshipping is one of the most headache business to do. A lot of time you will see people they put in a lot of manual product research, painful store setup, and it's honestly no longer useful for business. But in 2026, the key to starting a successful dropshipping business is all about the best design and getting help from AI system. The system that makes this new way of doing things possible is the Doba AI Hub, which is a fully integrated suite within the Doba platform. The AI Hub is a carefully planned ecosystem of tools that will get rid of the three deadly bottlenecks that have killed many stores: smart product discoveries, instant store creations, and hands-off order fulfillment. And if you don't pay attention to any of these areas, your business vessels will have a big hole in it. So today I'm going to show you the exact 2026 protocol step by step. I will show you not only what each tool does, but also how they all work together to make a complete self-sufficient business machine. Okay, the phase one is the intelligence layer. The AI Pickr helps you go from guessing to knowing. A batch choice of product is what makes every store fails. In the past, this means going with your gut, looking through endless AliExpress pages, or following a sturdy TikTok trend. But you know what? In 2026, it means sending out a data scouts with care. And this is where Doba AI Pickr changed the game. Let me show you how this works in real time, going from simple research to strategic discovery. Because with Doba AI Pickr, you don't start with a blank slate, you start with a hypothesis. For a 2026 market, think about strong consumer trend. And this functional optimization means making products that solve specific high-friction problems like smart posture wearables or precision kitchen tools for dietary needs. Circular commerce means making products that can be refilled, come from reliable, sustainable sources, and are designed to be repaired. Integrated experience means making physical products where the value of the physical item is unlocked through a digital app layer. Let's put that idea into practical now. I go to the AI Hub on the Doba platform and open AI Pickr. The interface is really easy to understand. I don't have a blank search bar and I'm expecting to all have a crystal ball. The system on the other hand tells me what to do. I can also look at the category velocity right from the analytics dashboard to get started. And this tells me which big categories like home energy efficiency or smart pet care are seeing steady month-over-month growth in bought new supply listing and order volume. And this shows me where the market study energy is going, and that's where I should be finishing. But the point is just a growing category. I need to know what kind of fish are biting. I will go into a more detail about one of these high momentum groups. Now this is the important filter. I use the rising or newly listed filter instead of all products or best sellers. And really, this is AI Pickr's secret weapon. It shows products that are suddenly getting a lot of attention from suppliers, which is a sign that consumer demand is rising before it's shown up in mainstream trends report. It might for instance point out a smart indoor compost bin with an app. The data panel shows that 4 new vetted suppliers having started listing these exact products in the last 10 days. Also, the order speed on existing listing have also gone up by 45%, and that's a real sign, not a guess. Now, Doba platform lets me do due diligence right away after I make a list of 2 or 3 of these signal flashing products. The unified supplier comparison showed me different vendors from the same item next to each other, along with their unit cost. For example, $42 versus $48, minimum order quantity, important for testing, and estimated shipping times to my target customer. And this comparison, which is made possible by Doba huge network, happens in seconds instead of days of going through spreadsheets and supplier messages. And the step that can be changed human, then I use the platform to order a physical sample from the supplier I like the best. And this could cost between $40 and $60. This step is necessary because when the samples comes in, I'm in charge of quality control. Is the quality of the build good? Is the digital app working well? And does the product look and feel as high-end as the pictures show? AI gives you the signal and the data, but the structural checks makes the whole thing less risky. It is the most important link between digital intelligence and the real world. Now here's the phase 2. The instant infrastructure AI store builder and auto listener let you go from product to live store in minutes. And this is really another fantastic tool that listed in Doba AI Hub. Your product is now validated and backed by data. The problem in the past, it can take days or even weeks to deal with Shopify themes, write product descriptions, and find images and build pages. In 2026, you can set up a full converting storefront in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. And this is where the Doba AI Store Builder and the AI Auto Lister comes in, working together perfectly. And this is how the work will go. Once I have picked out my product on the Doba platform, I go to the AI Store Builder, I type in a simple brand name like EcoCycle for our compost bin, and then I choose a thematic template that fits the niche like clean tech and sustainability. After that, I click. I don't use drag and drop to move design elements. I don't write description for meta tags. The AI does not just install the theme, it creates a whole branded business. It designs a homepage that tells a brand story about being eco-friendly and easy to use. It makes a product page for the smart compost bin that is not filled with generic text but with copy that focus on the benefits of the product based on analysis of its features. Automatically turn kitchen waste into a soil full of nutrients. Check on the decomposition from your phone. Lower the amount of carbon your family puts into the air. At the same time, the AI Auto Listener is doing its job. It gets the high resolution pictures and videos from the supplier, improves them and puts them in the right place in the layout it makes. It makes all the different options like color and size and sets up the stock. The name of the book is not Smart Compost Bin. EcoCycle Smart Composter, the clean, the connect way to eliminate food waste is a headline that is ready to be used in marketing. And the store that's open is not just an empty sale, it's a well-organized, pre-optimized sales tool that is made just for that product and the audience. And in this phase, my job is not to build website, is to do a final executive review, make small changes to the brand and then approve the deployment. Alright, now is the phase 3, the autonomous backend, the self-fulfillment order system. If a beautiful store makes running the business a nightmare, it's a liability. The old way, when a customer buys something, you get an email, log into supplier portal, type in the customer address again, pay the supplier, and then spend days looking for a tracking number. And this is the operational swamp that kills solo business owners. But the way to do things in 2026 is zero-touch order fulfillment, and this is the system quite beating hard. Once a sale is made in your Doba connected store, the whole backend sequence runs on its own. For example, a customer buys the compost bin for $149. The order is automatically sent to the supplier you chose and check out in the Doba network. And then the order and shipping information are sent electronically and the suppliers confirm. And after that, the tracking number is automatically fetched from the supplier and sent straight to the customer order page on your store. Next, your customer automatically get a professional branded email confirming their order. You will also get one notification on your dashboard. For example, order 1001 for EcoCycle Smart Composter has been fulfilled. Tracking has been uploaded, estimated gross margin, that is for example $62, and this automation also includes managing inventory. The system can sync stock levels from a supplier to a store, so you won't have to deal with the disaster of selling something that's not in your stock. Also, you can even set up rules for automatic failover to a backup supplier if the main one runs out. Alright, now let's move to the phase 4. The AI listing optimizer and the video hub are the engines that keep things growing. As you know, the start is the launch, not the end, because the store that does not change stays the same. And this is where Doba amazing video hub and AI listener optimizer work together to make a strong growth loop. The AI listing optimizer is like having your own SEO and conversion rate optimizer expert. It does not just set up your listing, it also keeps an eye on them and suggests ways to make your product titles and description better so that they can show up higher in search results and get more clicks. And really, it's like having a marketing intern who never sleeps and is always A/B/testing language for you. And some people might say that the video hub is the best marketing tool. You don't have to sit there and stare at a blank screen wondering how to make a TikTok ad. Just go to the Doba video hub. You can look through a huge library of real videos made by creators and influencers who are already promoting products within Doba suppliers network. Then find your product and look at how well the creators are marketing it, their hooks, visuals and script. And this is not just an idea, it's a step-by-step guide for making your own ad creative. And trust me, it will save you hours of testing angles that do not work. Alright, so the main question for e-commerce in 2026 is no longer how do I find a product, it is how do I set up my automated e-commerce machine. And this important change in thinking is what the Doba AI Hub is all about. It's bringing together dozens separate tools for trends research, sourcing, store design, copywriting, logistics and marketing ideas into one system that works together on one platform. It does not just give you a fish or a teach how to fish, it gives you a fully staffed automated fishing fleet and the knowledge to send it to the best fishing spot. Alright, now I have added a link of Doba in the description too. Definitely go and try it now for your e-commerce business. And the best part, you can try Doba for just $0.99 before investing a lot of money. Alright, so that is for today. If you have any questions related to this video and regarding Doba, then definitely let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about AI and tools like Doba, definitely watch this video now and share this video with your dropshippers friends and who they want to learn more about dropshipping. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too. And again, drop a comment if you have any questions related to this.